The exact location of the missing Black Hawk is identified deep beneath the sea after decades of silence. A detailed inspection reveals severe saltwater corrosion, structural deformation, compacted seabed sediment, heavy marine growth, and extensive water intrusion throughout the engines, gearbox, drivetrain, and fuselage. Heavy lift cranes, reinforced steel cables, and specialized recovery frames are used to raise the Black Hawk from the seabed. Once secured, the helicopter is transported to a raw concrete industrial workshop under cold, unforgiving industrial lighting. If you enjoy real factory processes and industrial transformations, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. New content every week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
We're showing heavy pitting right here.
Calipers read almost 50% loss.
Mark that down, we need to inspect the spar next.
Turboshaft engines, transmission, hydraulic, and electrical systems to determine damage severity and establish a safe, systematic disassembly plan. The main rotor, tail rotor, central gearbox, engines, landing gear, and other heavy assemblies are carefully removed using industrial lifting equipment to relieve structural stress and prepare the airframe for detailed restoration. High-pressure washing, chemical treatment, and mechanical cleaning methods eliminate mud, salt deposits, marine organisms, aged oil, and debris accumulated inside the airframe, engines, gearbox, and metal structures over decades underwater. Hydraulic lines, fuel systems, wiring harnesses, control units, and load-bearing frame sections are dismantled and classified by system, allowing parallel restoration workflows and precise quality control.
We've still got pressure on this line.
I know, waiting for the bleed down.
Bearings, seals, and bushings are replaced, while rotor systems, drive shafts, and the gearbox are dynamically balanced to ensure smooth, stable operation after reassembly.
That bearing seat is destroyed. We need to report this immediately.
According to the blueprints here, this module goes into Bay 4.
All right, let's get the forklift over here.
We have a slight pressure drop on this hydraulic line here.
Okay, let me check the schematics against the main assembly.
This diagram shows the wiring harness connecting here, but the assembly looks different.
Let me see the updated version. I think this is outdated.
Severe oxidation is removed through mechanical grinding, wire brushing, abrasive blasting, and chemical de-rusting processes, restoring critical load-bearing metal surfaces to a workable condition. Cracked structural sections are welded, shafts and gears are remachined, and bearing surfaces are restored using industrial lathes and milling machines to recover correct geometry and mechanical tolerances. Hydraulic circuits, fuel lines, electrical wiring, and connectors are reinstalled after thorough cleaning, corrosion treatment, and component replacement in accordance with aviation safety standards.
Okay, easy now, keep it steady. Almost there, clear the rollers.
Check the serial number on the gearbox before moving it to the clean zone.
It matches the schematic here, ready for inspection.
Engines, transmission, rotor systems, and fuselage components are reassembled. Shafts are aligned, rotating systems balanced, and structural rigidity and straightness are verified across the airframe.
Easy, just a few more centimeters.
Copy, lowering slowly.
All right, she's seated. Hold tension while we secure it.
Guides are clear.
Shaft is seated. Grab the torque wrench.
Rhythmic torque applied. It's secure.
Cold testing begins, followed by system activation, fluid loading, and controlled engine startup. After decades beneath
Easy
the
now,
sea,
watch the clearance on the
Black Hawk
tail.
is officially
Make sure those
reborn,
wheels are locked down tight before you
transformed
climb
from
up
a
there.
forgotten wreck into
Secure,
a
Director.
functioning machine once again.
Okay, bring the forward stand around the cockpit.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.